This is container SL. External dimension of container SL is This is a four-sided container. Its walls are made of round tube. Thanks to it, container looks more delicate and weighs lighter in comparison with a similar product made of square tube. Front wall consists of two elements: folded upper door, which height is 565 mm, and fixed wall of 538 mm of height. Upper door is opened to the front to the complete opening, and to close it, you slide it up and down onto the joints on the sidewall. There is a plastic sheet on the bottom of container which protects linen from dirtying. It can be removed if needed. All the containers are completed with casters of diameter 125 mm with ball bearing. In standard set you have swivel casters. It is possible to set casters with brake. Each container has metal nameplate on this sidewall, where you can put branded label or magnet plate. Upon client's request, there can be metal pocket instead to put the documents in the format A4 there. We use two types of finishing for this container: cold and hot dip galvanizing. Thickness of cold galvanizing finishing is 8–12 microns and there is no internal covering. However, hot dip galvanizing creates a thicker layer of covering of 70 microns. That is, it makes construction more robust. Together with it, it ensures internal covering. Weight of container depends on the finishing. Cold galvanized container weighs 33 kg, hot dip galvanized weighs 35 kg. Thus, to sum up, container SL has in its standard set swivel casters, metal pocket or metal nameplate, plastic sheet on the bottom. It can be additionally completed with swivel casters with brake, magnet plate or branded label.